There he is, Ferran Torres, the man responsible for winning the World Cup for España, and I'm doing his haircut tutorial today. Let's do it. All right, everyone, so the haircut is complete, and let's break it down. So first thing I did is I created my layered shape. I wanted to really focus on creating this from the top down. So I established my layer, and what I did is I made sure that I know wherever I cut this, that's where it's gonna fall. So based off of his photos and seeing him playing, I knew that this was kind of the area for this section to live and everything connect to that. Then I worked my way down. I established my length after all the layering, and you can see it's got a really nice shape. And then I have to make sure that I make everything kind of connected somehow. Even though it's shorter here and longer here, there still has to be some sort of flow to it, and that's what I created. Now, his hair kind of sits, at least in the World Cup, was sitting right on top of the ear, about right here. The way these mannequins are, if I did that, like, it would just be so awkward looking. So I try to do as best I can to keep this shorter. However, it is kind of all just layered up until about this point and through here. Made my connection throughout the top, going from shorter to slightly longer, nothing crazy. I did do, my traditional top corner sides method to make sure everything is flowing nicely together. You can see the top here is fairly long. It's got some length to it. I'd say about maybe 4 inches, 4.5 inches. The front right and through here is slightly longer. I would say about 5 inches max. Then I blow dried it, and I used my control cream to style it. Now, I wanted to kind of duplicate his hair more while he was playing, because I think, honestly, his hair looks better when it's more damp from maybe sweating or just... So this is my take on more when he was playing in the World Cup final, which I think this came out great. So I hope you all enjoyed this. I would suggest control cream as far as products go if you want something that's going to give you a very, very light, very tameable, controlled hold. That's what this is. I'm so happy I even have this now in my lineup. If you have longer hair like this and it looks dull because of the ingredients in this, it's actually going to make your hair look healthier, a very healthy shine, not really added shine as far as making it look greasy. It just makes your hair look so healthy, and it's perfect for these kind of longer hairstyles. It'll dry in place, very, very pliable. This is also something that you don't want to be running your fingers through constantly, but if you have to, you can. But this product has become one of my favorite products for enhancing waves, enhancing curls, even on straight flows. It just really controls the hair nicely. And if you click View Products right here in the corner, it's available there. Let me know who you want to see next. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.